This is Mohna and I am the leader of this project. We are all the team members. He is Naufa, she is Maya, she is Maha and he is Lokesh.
Our topic is disease and health, and our main aim is to create awareness on littering issues and keep the environment clean.
We also created awareness through a video which we have included in our blog, and blog is our main outcome.
And the reason why we chose this topic was we felt that it is important for people to be aware of it.
Our talk included a short presentation, an icebreaker session, and a word search and story activity.
We did a presentation. For doing this presentation, we took a group of approximately 12 to 15 students from grade 4 and grade 5. To explain this issue, we first asked the students some questions to get their attention before we started our presentation. After we completed explaining about the issue, we asked the children about what they understood during this section.
Learn we should not litter while we are going outside the roads, and we should tell anybody if they are littering on the roads, we should tell them to throw the garbage in the dustbin, and we should not throw garbage inside the water.
What will happen if you throw garbage inside the water?
It will if we throw garbage inside the water, it can become water pollution.
When we took the presentation, I found out that the children were serious enough to understand the issue and they were aware of it. They were very curious to know about the issue. After organizing this activity, I came to know that the children were very interested to know something new.
To make the children understand the issue in a better way, we planned and organized some activities like word search and creating stories. We wanted them to be completely involved, so we made the activities more enjoyable as they would love to do these kind of activities. After doing this activity, I came to know that the students were very interested to learn new things. The students were very responsible and they were very interactive in doing this activity. After doing this activity, the students took initiative and started cleaning their surroundings.
Hi, I am Kavya of grade 4. We done a crossword and story writing of littering. My experience was that we should not waste garbage or anything. Garbage, if we throw it on the roads, animals and plants will get wilted. If animals eat those garbages, they will not give us right food, and we will get unhealthy. We will get different types of sick like dengue, malaria, like that.
Now for the teenagers, we conducted a multiple choice questions quiz to know about their knowledge about it. We prepared this quiz in a software called Kahoot. With the help of this software, we organized a well-structured quiz based on our issue.
When I did Kahoot in the IC lab with my friends, it was a very nice experience. I learned moral values such as not to throw garbage to the ground, not to pollute our school, not to pollute our home, pick up the trash, etc. It was a very fun experience.
I found out two main aspects. The first aspect was that the teenagers, they were not too serious as compared with the children, and also the teenagers, only few of them were able to answer the questions to the quiz, but the remaining of them were not able to do it. So for the ones who were able to answer the quiz, they already knew about this issue, but they did not take any initiative to solve this issue. My overall statement that I could conclude to state that I really hope that the teenagers, they had gained or developed a sense of knowledge that could be brought throughout their daily life.
After we conducted the quiz, we took the teenagers with us to clean the local streets nearby where there was litter for creating awareness among the localites. We gave biodegradable garbage covers to the local citizens and told them to put the waste in those covers and drop it in the dustbins instead of littering on the roads. We also cleaned the litter near the street dustbins and dropped it in the waste box.
So this cleaning section with my friends was really an amazing
biodegradable bags so that they could throw the litters in that and they could dispose that litter back in the dustbin. So this made them have an awareness about how to clean their environment.
The students were very much involved and they were very keen to make the environment clean. We took the teenagers because we wanted them to realize the pain of the people who clean those litters, and we also wanted them to realize that they should not throw the garbage anymore on the streets.
As a part of our team project, we created trash bins of 3 colors: red, green and yellow. Red is for plastics, green is for organic waste and yellow is for disposing papers.
After placing the trash bins in our school surroundings, we made the students to drop the litter in the respective bins, and they also made other students to pick up the litter and drop it inside the trash bins. Some students have created their own trash bins and placed it all over the school to make the environment clean. And the small change that we made had a great impact on the children's lives.